Situated in the middle of Egypt, on the left bank of the Nile, the Valley of the Kings formed part of the Theban necropolis, where pharaohs were buried between the 16th and 11th centuries BC. Apart from pharaohs, numerous queens and nobles were also laid to rest in the rock-cut tombs. The rocky valley was an ideal place for the pharaohs, who were in search of more secure burial places than the pyramids. However, despite the natural environment and the strict protection, some tombs were already plundered in ancient times. The first people to explore the Valley of the Kings were Greek scholars of antiquity. A new era of scientific exploration started in the modern period, so in the past 2 centuries, the valley has become one of the most important sites in ancient Egyptian research. Although the area had already been explored extensively by the 20th century, it was only after the excavation of tomb number 62 in 1922 that the burial site attracted public attention. Commissioned by the wealthy antiques collector, Lord Carnarvon, to search for the tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun in the Valley of the Kings, the British archaeologist Howard Carter conducted a number of excavations in the area. His efforts were crowned with success. He made one of the richest and most famous discoveries in the history of archaeology. The tomb of Tutankhamun, an Egyptian pharaoh from the 18th dynasty who died early, was the only intact tomb of a pharaoh. The simple tomb consists of an entrance facing east with a stairway leading to a descending corridor. At the end of the corridor, there is an antechamber connected to an annex on one side and to the burial chamber on the other side. The burial chamber leads to the treasury. During 8 years of excavation, many extraordinary findings came to light. Preserving Tutankhamun's mummy, the burial chamber is decorated with wall paintings and texts from the Book of the Dead. The embalmed body was encased in several nested sarcophagi and coffins. Today, the mummy still rests in the Valley of the Kings, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The other objects from the tomb are exhibited at the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. The pharaoh's wonderful golden funeral mask is one of the most famous works of art in the history of mankind. This is not only due to its beauty and Carter's fantastic dig, but it also owes much to the legend of the pharaoh's curse.